Because when you're buying a note, the only information you have on the value of the note is what the seller says they want for it. That's number one. Number two, the sale of notes are not recorded in the public records like real estate is. So if you buy a 3-2 in Miramar, or you're looking to buy a 3-2 in Miramar, and you go to the public records and you see that the average sale price for that property is $250,000, you know if you're close to that value, you know that you're in the ballpark for what you'll get, what it's worth. But there's no such thing as recorded documents for mortgages. I mean, there's an allowance that's not recorded, but there's an assignment that sometimes gets recorded. But nothing says anything about value. You have to learn how to figure that out yourself. I know everybody in here has some sort of a real estate background. Raise your hand if you do not have a real estate background. I want to talk to you later. And you and my girlfriend, that's not a dig, I'm just saying you generally guys have this. So if you have a real estate background, you also know, at least have an idea on how to establish the value of real property. So that's a key factor in buying default mortgage notes. So when we decide a note or a property, properties are easier because, in my mind, if you can't do it, you can hire somebody to do it. But if you're trying to rehab a note, and the borrower still lives in the house, they haven't paid in 6 months, they're threatening bankruptcy, they hired a lawyer, there's nobody that you can get to stand in your shoes and handle that negotiation with that borrower. And I know people are going to go, oh no, there's these great servicers. Don't even get me started on that. They don't have the skill and they don't have the skin in the game that you have.